I have an opinion about that. All right, folks, I got some opinions. Let's talk about this new fad of making people pay to get the blue check marks on social media. It's not surprising to me that Twitter decided to do this because Elon Musk, I mean, he's essentially gutted the business. And so the only strategic way that they can move forward and create enough revenue is through means like this. One of the things that Instagram had talked about, Facebook had talked about, is that they wanted to move away from some of these clout type of things as a part of their network. For instance, they had decentralized likes and things like that to kind of create like a healthier ecosystem. This type of move makes it seem like they're going to the exact opposite of that. And so when you start to create incentives, especially when the majority of your incentives are based on some people being able to pay, you are literally going against the one thing that you said was your value add that no one else had. And so I think that there's like a little bit of a crisis here. It's one of the reasons I like TikTok so much now. You can't even ask for verification on TikTok. Instagram now, I don't know if I can trust a lot of people there. My only real options are TikTok and LinkedIn. So y'all got me over here looking at baby videos or looking at professional videos because these are the only trusted sources that I have left, okay? So give us back our trust and stop worrying about whether we're gonna give you an extra $1 or $5 or $10. Because the simple fact is, if that's the difference between your company failing and succeeding, chances are you have a product market fit problem, and that's what you should be focusing on.